Now we continue with the Sheng and Ke cycles. Sheng, which generative cycle. Wood generates fire, fire generates earth as ashes, earth generates metal, metal generates water, water generates wood. Sa Ke cycle naman, which is the controlling cycle, water controls or puts out fire, wood controls earth or invades it, fire controls metal, earth controls water, and metal controls wood or cuts it. Example of Sheng cycle problem. For example, let's see how the earth phase gets disturbed by the environment. So dito we have poor eating and yung stress from the heart and small intestine. It affects the spleen and stomach, which result to bloating, gas, and diarrhea. The same with the lung and large intestine, magkaroon siya ng asthma, sinusitis due to increased dampness. Another example, let's see the typical case of an anxious, stressed out executive with neck and shoulder pain, headaches, and anger issues with explosive behavior. He also has bloating and frequent diarrhea and GERD. So dito, we have the sa baba, kidney and bladder. Meron siyang fatigue and exhaustion, which affect the liver and gallbladder. Meron siyang anger, headache, neck and shoulder. Next, sa heart and small intestine, meron siyang explosive, red eyes, insomnia. And sa spleen and stomach, nagkaroon siya ng bloating, diarrhea, and GERD. Also with the controlling ng wood to the earth. Okay? So how do we treat? First, we sedate the areas of excess. Second, stimulate areas of deficiency. And third, make use of the Ke cycle to control excess or deficiencies. So here, yung start dito tayo sa may kidney bladder. Kidney 3 to kidney 10, stimulate. Next, liver and gallbladder, yung liver 2 or 3 is to sedate. Then yung sa heart and small intestine, heart 7 or 3, sedate. Then yung sa lung and large intestine, LI11 to stomach 25, stimulate. General American malady, treatment not only for the US. This treatment will work in most people living our current modern life. We have already seen the treatment. So, ginamit natin L2 or 3, which is to reduce. Heart 3 or heart 7, reduce. LI11 to stomach 25. 25, kidney 3 to kidney 10, 25.